Yfn Lucci's attorney, Drew Feiling, says his client is innocent of all charges filed against him, while an arrest affidavit says Yfn is being held with no bail. The alleged victim, James Adam, was a member of Yfn. Cops allegedly have video of the crew talking about tearing the city up. The authorities say James Adam and another young man, Rayvon Boyd, were shooting an assault rifle at rival gangs. They also say Kevin Wright was shot during the shooting and Adam was shot in the head. And family, with all that being said, I just want to say to any of the entertainers, the rappers, the people getting fame and getting money, you have to make a decision of what you want to do with your life. Do you want to be in the streets or do you want to be about your money? So that's a decision you have to make, and you have to make it fast, because it's too many of us. We're getting fame, but we're ending up in jail. You're not even getting a chance to enjoy your fame. So you have to make a choice in your life about what you really want to do with it. And that's why you have a lot of other young artists that don't even want to use that street approach when it comes to this hip hop. And with that, I'm going to say peace. The news in you. North, east, west, south, unite from every alley in Cali, intersection, and back street.
Are you Sean Bennett? I'm sorry? You're charged with 4 felonies. Mr. Finley, Mr. Banks, are you waiving some of the charges, or would you like me to waive the charges?
We're waiving.
All right, and have you informed your client of the charges against him?
We have, Your Honor. I'll point to Your Honor that there is a series of 3 warrants to entertain, one ending in 1-4 that is felony murder, and 1-3 and 1-5, which are the underlying aggravated assaults. Here is the triggering mechanism, obviously, is the aggravated assaults. On their face, 1-3 does not in any way allege that Mr. Bennett is the perpetrator of aggravated assault, or for that matter, the party to the crime of aggravated assault, and therefore making 1-4 felony murder as to that allegation impossible. The same thing with 1-5. His proximity in a vehicle to someone with a gun is not what establishes aggravated assault.
Detailed in the face of the warrant is his roles, specifically in the conduct that gave rise to the aggravated assault, and then subsequently the felony murder, which will include him allowing the occupants of his vehicle, him being the driver of the subject vehicle, to actually get out of the vehicle, fire multiple rounds, and then drive off with those occupants. So based on what the court has before it, and the affidavits for all the warrants, there's more than enough to continue on and to find probable cause at this juncture.
Mr. Bennett, because of the COVID crisis, I'm not able to tell you when you're going to leave. You will receive notice of your next court date from the jail. Is there anything further on this case from the state?
No, Your Honor.
Is there anything further on this case from the defense?